Remember this jump. Remember this.
This can easily go viral in school. Why is everyone staring at me today? Why?
Can I pay the rest next week? Bro, jump from this bench like a superhero. Watch this. Everyone will remember this jump. Wait, let me record it first. Fine, but don't post it online.
Hurry before the teacher comes back.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Hurry!
Look at his shoes sticking out of the dustbin. Replay that moment again, it's hilarious. Stop laughing and help me get up. Bro, your face turned completely red. This video is comedy gold. I'm serious, don't upload it anywhere. Relax, we're just joking around.
Sometimes jokes hurt more than people realize.
The video quality is actually so clear. This can easily go viral in school. Delete it now, I mean it. Why are you panicking so much? Because not everything funny should be shared. People post embarrassing clips every day.
Just because everyone does something doesn't make it right.
You sound like a teacher now. Bro, post it on your story for 1 hour only.
No, he trusted us.
You'll get crazy views from this.
Why does social media make wrong things feel normal? Because attention feels good. Temporary attention can create permanent regret too.
You really overthink simple things.
Maybe hearts feel uncomfortable when they know something is wrong. Would you choose followers or someone's respect? Comment. Do likes and followers affect people too much nowadays? Tell me in the comments.
Why is everyone staring at me today? You seriously haven't seen the video yet? What video? The dustbin video. It's all over school now. I trusted them not to post it. People only care about entertainment now. Funny how people laugh online without seeing the pain behind it.
I feel so alone here. Why is no one here for me?
Have you ever cried silently while pretending to be okay? Comment below.
Wait, I think my wallet fell somewhere near the gate. Check your pockets properly. It's not here. My bus money was inside too. Maybe someone already took it.
Then let's go look near the market road quickly.
Funny how one small loss can suddenly make the heart panic.
We'll find it. Let's go.
I hope so.
Have you turned the volume up? This song is amazing. Bro, the azan just started outside. I'll pray later. Let me finish this track first. You always delay Salah for entertainment. It's only a few minutes. Small delays slowly become dangerous habits.
Honestly, my heart doesn't even feel anything during azan anymore. A heart drowned in distractions slowly stops listening to truth. Do phones and entertainment distract people from Salah too much today? Tell me in the comments.
You still don't have enough money for these notebooks.
Can I pay the rest next week?
I already trusted you last time, too.
My tuition teacher will get angry if I come empty-handed. People spend thousands online but struggle to help quietly. Sometimes I feel embarrassed asking again and again.
Take the notebooks, just study sincerely.
May Allah reward you for helping me. Do small acts of kindness matter more nowadays? Comment below.
Bro, your followers increased by 300 already.
Wait, seriously?
People love embarrassing content online.
I keep refreshing the likes every few seconds.
That's how social media traps people emotionally.
Why do notifications feel so addictive?
Because attention gives temporary excitement to empty hearts.
Strange. The more likes I get, the less peaceful I feel.
Do social media apps make people addicted emotionally?
Why does every girl online look perfect except me? Most pictures are filtered anyway. Still, I hate my face in photos now. Social media creates fake beauty standards. I deleted my picture 3 times already today. People edit pictures while silently hiding insecurities too. Then why does everyone seem happier online? Because people post smiles, not loneliness. Has social media ever made you insecure about yourself?
Humiliating others for entertainment destroys hearts quietly. Why does that sentence feel directed at me? The internet never forgets what people upload carelessly.
My chest suddenly feels heavy again. Do people think about consequences before posting online? Tell me in the comments.
My father used to say something before he passed away. What did he say? He said, "Never laugh at someone's humiliation." That's a deep sentence, honestly.
I keep hearing his voice in my mind today. Maybe pain makes old memories louder. I wish he was still here sometimes.
Do memories of loved ones suddenly hit you emotionally too? Comment below.
Come on, hurry up. The game tournament already started. At least pray properly first. I already prayed in 2 minutes. That looked more rushed than peaceful.
Allah knows I'm busy right now. People make time for what truly matters to them. Honestly, my heart doesn't even feel connected in Salah anymore.
A distracted heart slowly becomes empty without realizing it.
Do people rush Salah too much because of distractions today? Tell me in the comments.
Bro, your video crossed 10,000 views now. Then why do I feel worse instead of happier?
You're overthinking again.
No, I think I actually hurt someone deeply. It was only supposed to be funny. Wrong things always look harmless in the beginning. Then why did posting it feel exciting at first? Because sins often arrive disguised as entertainment.
Wait, someone dropped a wallet here. Open it and check how much money is inside. There's a lot of cash in here.
Nobody saw you pick it up anyway.
But someone out there is probably panicking right now.
You seriously want to return it?
Haram money never brings peace into life.
Strange how honesty feels harder than stealing sometimes.
Would you return a wallet full of money if nobody saw you? Tell me in the comments.
Why is everyone so distracted today? Nobody feels focused anymore, honestly. Because hearts busy with sin struggle to accept truth.
That sentence suddenly made me uncomfortable.
Entertainment without limits slowly hardens the heart.
Is that why people feel empty even after hours online?
Yes, because souls were not created to live only for distraction. I feel like that line was meant for me personally. Do distractions make people emotionally empty nowadays? Comment below.
Did you notice he hasn't come to school today? Yeah. I heard he's too embarrassed to return.
Wait, seriously? People kept laughing whenever he entered class. I never thought the video would affect him this badly.
Online jokes disappear quickly for viewers, not victims. This guilt keeps getting heavier every day. What is it? Is everything okay?